Who doesn't know Singapore? Of course, everyone must be familiar with the country, right? But have you ever wondered how can a small country and doesn't have agricultural land be as advanced as Europe? Here, I'm Father Ramadan. I want to deliver my speech under the title Literacy as the Key to Knowledge. And ladies and gentlemen, to answer to all this question is literacy. Well, how important is literacy? Let's look further. Literacy is not only about reading words on the paper, but also about understanding message behind them, analyze and apply the information in everyday life. Hence, it is closely related to improving of quality well-being. Literacy is just not only about read and write, but also about understanding, analyze, and use the information through various media. We must that if we want to chase other developed countries in the world, we must start kinds of basic problems of literacy. Because literacy is the foundation of all forms of learning. Without adequate literacy, we will lag behind from rapid development of science, technology, and many sectors. We can deny that Indonesians' ability literacy and rank in 70 out of 80 countries in the world. It means that we are still far from the world eligible in terms of well-being. To overcome this, as citizen and the young generation of Indonesia, we need to be exposed to theory by reading a lot. It gives us the ability to select the information we receive, criticize as reliable source, and use that knowledge to make informed decisions. For example, in digital era, information is very easy to get anywhere. But however, not all the information we encounter is true and useful. That's why digital literacy is very important for us so that we do not get lost of sea of information that is sometimes misleading. We need to have the ability to filter which information is valid or not, which one is fact and just opinion. Ladies and gentlemen, a literate society is a society that is able to think critically, innovate, and continue to learn throughout life. They are not only consumers of information, but also creators of new knowledge that can make a real contribution to the progress of the nation. Then, do you know what is the impact of being a less literate society? Less literate society struggle to adapt to globalization, are more easily influenced by fake news, and have difficulty compete global stage. Ladies and gentlemen, improving literacy is not only the responsibility of the government or educational institution, but also the responsibility of all us as members of society. Before closing my speech, and here in the last message that I want to deliver, schools and universities have a major role in providing formal education. But families, communities also have an equally important role in shaping reading habits and lifelong learning for children. That's all I can say. Be smart, be wise, and be a literate society. Thank you. and have a nice day. Goodbye.